friends. How are you?
Muroi shamwari dzangu, ndinonzwa kufara kukuonai zvekare.
I hope that you are having a great time at school and at home. And like Mhamha Shona always says,
Kudzidza hakuperi, learning never ends. Ha, asi nhai Tendai.
yes?
Izwi redu rezuva ranhasi nderekuti chii?
Wow, our word for today is sun. Zuva.
Zuva rinopenya mangwanani nemasikati.
Yes, the sun shines bright every day.
Zuva rinotipa chiedza.
Yes, there are so many things to learn about the sun. It also makes the plants grow. Yes. So, before we sing a song for today,
Yes.
let us learn the vowels of the word Zuva.
Yeah. Za, ze, zi, zo, zoo. Let's do it together. Za, ze, zi, zo, zoo.
Wow, my friends, let's sing a song together. The sunny, sunny,
Sunny, sunny, sun. The sunny, 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 sun. The sunny, 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 sun. The sunny, 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 sun.
The sun keeps us warm in winter.
The sunny, 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 sun. 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 Zuva rinobatsira maruva kuti akure. The sunny, 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 sun. 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 Magona chose shamwari dzedu.
Well, there you have it, my friends. That was the word of the day.
Zuva kana kuti muchirungu
Sun. I hope that you had fun and you will learn new words in Shona.
murangarira sezvinogarotaura Mhamha Shona. Kudzidza hakuperi, learning never ends.
Until next time, guys.
Bye.